Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to another video here on Wound Up. In this one, we're taking a look at a very sought after watch from Christopher Ward. This is the C65 Vintage Trident Diver. In this video, we'll just be unboxing and taking a quick look at the watch's specifications. And then of course, in a future video, I will be reviewing the watch more in depth. But of course, before we get into unboxing the watch, we're of course gonna take a look at what I am wearing today, and that is the Alpina Alpiner Chronograph. This is the newest watch to my collection. I love this watch a lot. If you would like to take a look at my unboxing video, I will also try to leave a link to that one in the description down below. So without any further ado, let's just get straight into the box here of the C65 Vintage Trident Diver. Of course, we have got the usual Christopher Ward box here. Opening it up will reveal your owner's handbook here, and below that the receipt of your purchase, both of which are stored in this tray, which you can remove to get access to your watch box. So here we have the watch in the usual Christopher Ward box. Now opening that one up will of course reveal the watch. Alright then, here is the watch. Now let's run down its specifications. Its price is going to be 695 Great British pounds, and it's available for pre-order right now. I will leave a link in the video description. Delivery wise, it'll appear sometime in the mid of September. Its diameter is 41 millimeters. Its height, or its thickness, or its thinness actually, because it's super thin, is just 11.5 millimeters. It weighs only 65 grams. It's based on the caliber Sellita SW210. Its case is made out of 316L stainless steel, of course. Its water resistance rating is a pretty odd 150 meters, which is great. The timing tolerance here of the Sellita SW210 movement is plus or minus 15 seconds per day. Accuracy wise, I haven't been able to test it out yet, although I will give you guys some updated results in my final review video of this watch. Its lug to lug distance here is 47.1 millimeters, and its strap width is 22 millimeters. It's a Swiss-made watch with a 19 joule hand-wound movement. It's got 42 hours of power reserve. It's a brushed and polished case. It's got a signed push-down crown. And as you can see, it's got very nice different kinds of finish work here, with the brushing on the top of the lugs and the edges being polished in a very nice way. It follows the entire case around to the next lug, which is a beautiful touch. I would assume that the diver's bezel here is of aluminium, which would mean that you can probably bleach it if you would like to do that. Or of course just leave it out in the sun for a couple of years and it'll look even more vintagey, if that's even a word. The clasp here is brushed and has the Christopher Ward naming. So the dial here is blue, as I've said before. It features the Christopher Ward stamped logo here below the 12 o'clock position, and oddly enough also the typing of the logo here at 9 o'clock. A lot of people do not like that, and I am one of them. It's a very thin watch, which a lot of people will like. It's got a nice boxed sapphire crystal. It has fake patina lume, which some people like and some people don't like, and I'm kind of neutral in this place. Overall, so far, I've been liking the watch quite a bit. I think it looks great, it's thin. I do like this leather band a lot too. And the diver's bezel, I think, looks amazing. But what do you guys think about this watch? Let me know in the comment section of this video down below. Also feel free to like and subscribe while you're at it. And with that said, I want to thank you for watching, and please tune in the next video.